Nice job.
There I go.
It's been great to see the opportunities that she's going to get to use it on, especially riding her bike.
Nice job. This project was born here in Nebraska. And here at UNO, we're currently one of the #1 teams in the world, not only in the development of these prostheses, but also in the testing of these devices, in understanding what are the factors in the brain that help children use these devices.
Yep, you got it.
Essentially what we do with the research study is to try to look at their brain and see how the brain of young children adapt to the use of our prosthesis. And then we proceed to do some brain imaging testings to capture the brain activity of these children as they do movements. What we do here is basically provide child-friendly prosthetic devices to children that are born without a limb or they lose the limb due to an accident.
Is that too tight there, you think? No? Okay.
And it's been such a blessing to us to be with UNO and to realize, hey, there are a lot of kids like her, whether it's arm or leg or some type of thing, knowing that there's people out there that, really want to help. It just makes you more educated on it and makes you maybe feel more comfortable and learn how to deal with things that maybe she'll have to deal with.
So that way she can use the prosthesis to put the fork, and we practice this a little bit. We are very happy to say that we probably have provided devices to over 90% of the population here in Nebraska that needs these devices, including adults. And we know that at least 4,000 children have used a device that we designed around the world. Doing good, Ruth. Take your time. I know that these plastic arms are not really solving all the problems. I know that. There's no way this arm would behave the way our arms do. But when you look at the parents, and they want to help their kids, so in a way, to be honest with you, we're giving them hope.